From my perspective, I would like to share my views with you. Believe me, I truly cannot find the right words to describe just how stunningly beautiful Ganga Top is. Today is nothing short of a dream, a day that surpasses all expectations and fantasies. It is truly a romantic atmosphere. It is so breathtakingly beautiful that I find myself unable to adequately describe it to you. Please take a moment to look behind me carefully, because you will see clouds surrounding us on every single side, and clearly notice that we are currently standing right at the very top of this location. Maybe you cannot fully experience the incredible panoramic view I captured in my video. You must visit this location in person and immerse yourself in its beauty. See the paradise that was created by God.
Ganga Top. You will surely think of whether it is in Pakistan or India. This, sir, is located in Islamabad, Azad Kashmir, Pakistan. It is a beautiful mountainous place approximately 10,000 feet high. This peak has lush and splendid views. It is famous for its cloud-covered valleys and cool winds. If you want to go here on a bike tour, please make sure to share my video on your social media platforms. Watch the entire video from start to finish and you will receive significant benefits and rewards as a result. You should be provided with a great deal of important information about it before making any decisions. In a bike tour, if you come from Rawalpindi, then after that you will arrive at Apli and then Danni Gala Bagh Shahar. After Bagh Shahar, Ganga Top is the final 12-kilometer mountain trail that trekkers must complete successfully. Dani Ghala provides visitors with stunning valleys and panoramic views, lush gardens, top-quality dining facilities and convenient fuel services. Lastona is renowned for its dense, lush forests and numerous camping spots, while the scenic Ganga Choti trail serves as a prime location for both photography enthusiasts and snowfall experiences. The total distance from Rawalpindi is roughly 180 to 200 kilometers, and traveling by bike usually takes about 6 to 7 hours to complete. Completing the journey is required for success. I enjoy witnessing the valleys hidden in the clouds, engaging in camping activities, and gathering around a bonfire, especially during sunrise and sunset. The region experiences cold weather and sometimes heavy snowfall too. As far as the road is concerned, the road leading directly to the beautiful garden area is in excellent condition and is very good. The challenging route that stretches from Lastona to Ganga Choti can often be both rough and narrow, making teamwork absolutely essential when riding the bike. We strongly recommend that you use off-road tires for better performance and safety conditions. Always make sure to check the latest weather updates. Fully refuel your vehicle since fuel may not be available beyond. Always carry warm clothes, a power bank and a first aid kit. In case of rain or heavy showers, drive carefully. And make sure to enjoy the pleasant weather today so that no unpleasant incidents will occur during your activities. If you liked my video and found it useful, please let me know in the comment section below exactly how you came to find this little thing that I shared with you recently. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that every upcoming video can reach you through notifications.
गंगा चोटी का व्यू है, लेकिन यहाँ पर एक सेकंड में पता नहीं लगता कि किस वक्त बादल आ गए। ये बैक साइड पे सिर्फ आपको सिर्फ बादल नज़र आ रहे हैं। हम बादलों के बीच खड़े हैं और बादल ठंडी हवाएं दे रहे हैं हमें। बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त मौसम हो गया। एक सेकंड में बादल आते हैं और सारा ये बादलों से ढक जाता है और थोड़ी देर बाद फिर आसमान क्लियर हो जाता है। यहाँ पर हर उम्र के लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो बच्चे हों, बूढ़े हों, जवान हों। अब आप देखें कि ये बुजुर्ग भी पिकनिक मनाने आए हैं। मेरा ख्याल ये कुछ चाय वगैरह बनाएंगे, ये एंजॉय कर रहे हैं मौसम। आप कहाँ से? सब टीम। देखें जी, दिल जवान होना चाहिए। देखें ये हमारे बुजुर्गवार कहाँ गंगा चोटी पर बैठकर मौसम को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं और मज़े कर रहे हैं चाय।